Hello. Hi. My dear friends, respected colleagues, and respected teachers all over Bombay, I would like to share my experience of treating some cancer cases and some pathological cases, which I have learned something which appealed to me, a different approach, which I would like to share. At this juncture, I would like to tell you, when I was preparing my cases, I remembered some of the cases can be little repetition for you. I had a choice. While presenting cancer cases, I share with you my recent cases. But in cancer, that is not the object. So, some of the cases might be repetition, but I have taken special care to add my latest prescription and latest development to those, so that there is more follow-up. And to compensate that, because yesterday Meghna suggested that from various parts of the India you have come and many cases are repeated. So to compensate that, I have added few of my recent pathological cases which I was not planning to do. So even if some cases are repeated, I will take special care that something in the follow-up I'm adding to that. What I have learned, what are the changes has taken place. First, I would like to begin a case of a thyroid cancer which came to the Adarsh Academy few years ago. This gentleman came to the Adarsh in August 13 with a thyroid cancer. One of the doctor, our colleague, referred him to us. And here I would like to share one typical approach. First of all, it was ultrasonography, a well-defined hypoechoic nodule with minimally irregular margins, measures 3.2 into 0.9 into 2.8 centimeter, noted in the lower pole of the thyroid. In short, it is 3.2 into almost 1 centimeter into 2.8 centimeter. Few oval sub-centimeter right cervical lymph nodes were also noted. So it is a thyroid cancer. Lymph nodes are also enlarged, and patient comes to Adarsh. Patient doesn't want to take any other pathy. It is well diagnosed, even maybe biopsy was also done. Very, very strong fear of cancer and death. Lot of anxiety about family. What will happen if I die? I have a daughter. I have my wife. Who will take care of them? He loves nature. And his brother had pancreatic cancer. My resident, Dr. Manish, took lot of time with the patient. Almost 2 hours sat. Nothing came out. This is reality sometimes. So much fear of cancer. Everywhere you ask, it will be okay, no? My thyroid will become okay now. Cancer will not spread to anywhere. Am I going to die? Can homeopathy save? All questions were related to his anxiety and tremendous fear of cancer. When we take the case, we should know where to go. This is not the exact totality. But in cancer, when you get this state, you have to prescribe. You cannot wait for months that one day case will be taken. It cannot happen. From Dr. Sarkar, I learned cancer is the acute exaggeration of chronic symptoms. So whatever you get, that is the manifestation. At present, you are getting this totality. I prescribed carcinosin 30 3 times a day first day, 200 3 times a day second day, and 1 3 times a day third day. This is called Plasing method. Margaret Taylor, British homeopath, developed this. The whole idea is we are sensitizing the body first day with 30 potency, second day with 200, and third day with 1 m. Plusing method is just dilute it. Suppose this is a 60 ml water. Patient has to take the medicine. In the morning, just put the medicine here, half the water, drink it, fill it again. Afternoon, again drink half the water, fill it again. And at night, same process. And on page 37 of the souvenir, in detail I have mentioned what is plusing method and what is LM potency. If you wish to know more about it, kindly see page 37. In details I have mentioned. In short, it is dilution, and we are sensitizing the patient one by one, first with 30, then with 200, then with 1 m. So I gave carcinosin, my first prescription. After 1 month, patient comes, very strong grief about losing the brother due to pancreatic cancer. Grief, he had no son, and only these two characteristic symptoms were there. I was not very happy about Ignatia because Logenacy sensation was not there. With grief, you are numbed. You don't know how to react. Tremendous disappointment, shock. These were not mentioned. But what was only mentioned in the case, this was the layer of the state. Very strong grief. Brother lost because of the pancreatic cancer. And he has only one daughter. She will be married soon. The whole house will be empty. Loneliness will come. These two came out with lot of interrogation. We know where to go. We know level of experience, name, fact, emotion, image. Experience in the image are important. But when patient doesn't go there, you have no choice. Whatever is available in cancer, you have to prescribe on that. So I was waiting for the opportunity. Little later I will get a very good case. But at present, let me give Ignatia, because this is the state of the patient. Same way, 30, 200, 1 m, plusing method, 3 times a day, consecutive 3 days. So I started with carcinosin. After 1 month, Ignatia. After 1 month, follow-up was even worse. In the sense, when we were expecting a good history, he mentioned nothing about the fear of cancer, nothing about the grief, but only mentioned that thyroid lobe enlarged, and doctor, please give me medicine, and this should go only with homeopathy, nothing else is available. So here, because of the organ affinity and no other characteristic symptom, I gave 30, 200, 1 m of thyroidinum because it is a thyroid cancer, plusing method, 3 times a day, 3 consecutive days. At this juncture, I would like to show you the little clips of the case where we can observe the nodule. Just observe the nodule, which is very distinctly seen here. Clear cut, no improvement yet. We can clearly see the nodule at this part, roughly 3 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 3 centimeter is seen. I wanted to share with you the swelling part, the swelling of the nodule. At this point, we did the investigation in April 14, after few months continuing the same treatment, that is started with carcinosin, followed by Ignatia, then thyroidinum. No solid cystic nodule. The 3 centimeter into 1 into 3 disappeared completely. More than that, no obvious enlarged cervical lymph nodes. Lymph nodes disappeared, solid cystic swelling also disappeared.